You're always there, you always answer me. Oh yeah, you're always there with me through any and every season. You are my guide. So how could I worry when you are for me? Your grace is all I see, your favor's all around me. You are always there for me. I will not worry, oh no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm sure goodness and mercy always follow me. Oh, your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Yeah. All around me. All around, you are all around me. All around me. Yeah. All around me. Yeah. And all I see is your beauty all around me. And all I see is your glory all around me. Oh, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, to know love is to know you, Lord, you are ever faithful and true. Yes, you are, Lord, you are for me, so no one can stand against me. Oh, you're full of mercy, Lord, you never cease to amaze me. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, dear God. Yeah. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Follow me, dear God. Oh, goodness and mercy always follow me. Yeah. Your grace and your favor surrounds me. You are all around me. Oh yes, all around me. Yeah. Oh, your favor follows me. Your grace all around me. Oh, yeah.
Iftar prep is always chaos, with a rush to get ready for Maghrib. But these moments make Ramadan special. And sending money home with Remitly
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
So much beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Matchless, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As good as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to your most Most High. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. God of the universe, so loving you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you.
I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The battle's already won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. Ooh, on and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Papa, the things you do for me, Papa. Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all, it's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, 'cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising. 'Cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing, this is my victory song. Yeah. One step, two step, three step, this is my victory song. One step, ooh, two step, keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere he went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind see? And he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. A crown of thorns for me, your hands with pierce for me, your body bruised for me. You died that I might live. No other love like this, to lay your life out to love for.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad. Cause growing
What's
up,
up, gang? Good morning.
all
What's
that I
up?
had. You know, growing up at a young age.
What's up, chat? How you guys doing? How you feeling? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning.
Gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad. They really shared their dad.
What's up? What's up?
And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have
All right. All right. What's up, chat? What happened to go? Ooh. All right, let me do top down here. Daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see, we are breaking the range. We have resistance here. We got support here, and two candles are breaking the range. There's no closure above yet, so I'm still bearish on price here. Probably I need to wait for the retest of this low, right? The candle probably can move down pretty heavy for the day, at least. So do we have news later tonight? So later tonight we don't have any news. We have orange folder 6 p.m, but the red folders we don't have. Tomorrow we got FOMC. Holy FOMC. Nice, pretty nice. Yeah. Oh, bank holiday. Oh, Friday. JPY. So yeah, resistance form, right? Breakout, and we are expecting to move down at least 4,900 zone. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, damn, look at that. Resistance, support. So the candles are printing side by side. I guess we have a breakout here, and we have a clean range towards to the upside. This is going to be a clean range to move up. Let's see if we can, at least moving up towards to the upside. Let's see. So yeah, resistance support right there. 1 hour time frame. So the hourly time frame, we still in the consolidation range here. We still on the support level. We got resistance probably here, and then the clean traffic is up here. This is gonna be the clean range towards to the upside, right? So yeah, excuse me. Hourly, that's the hourly thing. 30 minutes, yeah, looks the same. Holy, the range are big. Yeah. What I'm gonna do now is marking this up. Resistance, probably support level right here. One more, and we're Gucci. All right, this is gonna be my level so far. How many pip we can move down here? It's 100 pip range, so any closure probably here it's gonna be a good to move down, right? And right now we're waiting for buys. Let's see if we can top 5040 area. Let's see if we can move up there. All right, so yeah, man. Chat. Shout out to 11 viewers. Make sure drop a like and subscribe to the channel. All right, rebroke the high there. Oh, 30 looks clean to move up. Clean traffic, 280 pip range. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. What's up, Clinton? What's up, Brace? How you doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? boom, 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 boom. Bit mentally worn out from world news situation lately, so your break, yeah, that's okay, but don't take any break. All I believe all of the people in the Middle East has affect the same way, but if you are a trader, don't take break. It's okay not to take trades every single day, but you need to at least check the chart, what's happening on the chart, what's happening on the gold, why gold's not pumping, right? That kind of news. But yeah, I hope everything will be okay soon. Yeah. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Shout out to 15 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know, man. Let me know. How's Dubai? Dubai is still good. Everything is fine here. We're still here. Everything is good. Robis, where are you from? Are you from US or Manila, Philippines? Cool, cool, bro. Sell bias, yeah, may buy sell. So yeah, we might have potential here in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Potential to move down. Let's see. So 30 minutes about to close. We're heading bearish. We have clean range to retest again. So let's see if we can move down here. Let's see. We just need the closure, probably below, and then enter on the rebroke of the lows here. Probably nice. Stop loss gonna be up 50 pips, I'd say. Here we can use the stops, the resistance level stops. So, and then move down. Dum 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 dum. We rebroke the 15 minutes low there, I believe. Yeah. Oh no, in the broker didn't, but in the trading view rebroke. Didn't push, but in the broker didn't rebroke. It's okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, didn't close below. Damn, Goldie didn't close below, bro. I'm expecting that closure. I'm expecting this. Didn't. Yeah, so we're gonna wait. Any questions? Robias, how many years you're trading now? Do trading now? Goldie, what happening, Goldie? Goldie don't wanna move today. Goldie don't wanna push. Don't wanna move. Too many wicks. True that. Yeah, too many wicks. And the structure, we stuck in a range, right? We stuck here. Look at this. Wicks, wicks, wicks. So, no buenos. I thought we can close below. Yeah, and then yeah, pops down. It didn't happen. Now it's waiting time. Wait for one candle to target the previous no bottom wick. Bullish candle. Which one? This one? Which bottom wick? Ah, this one. Yeah. Wow, Clinton. You are learning, huh? This bottom wick? Yeah. But we need a closure. Now we need to wait for the candle to close below. Yeah, to hit this target. But if there's no closure, there's no way to move down. 8 months, bro. Love your patience. That's why I'm here. Oh, thank you, bro. You're always welcome here. Yeah, patience paid. You know, I got another payout this March. I guess how much that? Gonna show you guys. So March, yeah, this one. Patience paid, no? You got patience, the reward is like this. And they scale me up. FTM will scale me up. They scale me up now. So this scale up scaling plan, this eligibility crash. You have met all conditions to have your FTM scaled up. All traders follow power risk management, master their psychology, can be consistently profitable, and life of trading. We are happy to say that your track record expanding while looking among traders will provide by FTMO accounts for your trading periods. The scaled up FTMO account 25%. Right. So yeah, man. Patience paid, you know. If you have patience, the market will reward you. Last trade I took on March 11. Yeah. Took March 11. Didn't take any trades yet. Didn't take any trades. Eight minutes for the candle to close. See, look at this. Even though we got some war, the candles are pretty normal here. Candle move 40, 50, 60, 70 pips. This one is bigger move. Right. Direction wise, we don't have directions yet. That's the tricky questions, tricky problem here. We don't have directions, but we can play with the range. I guess if we can rebroke this low, we can pops down now. If you re-break that, we can see at least this. One more re-broke. One more re-break and then should move down. Any questions, gang? Any questions in your mind right now? Let me know in the chat. Is there any phase two? Yes, there is. Yeah, that's a good account. If you guys wanna, take that funded challenge, should be phase one and phase two. Phase one and phase two. Don't rush things. Don't rush the process. Don't rush the funded account. You're getting to be funded based on your skill set. So don't rush it. If you still, months, year, don't rush things. Don't rush the process. Don't rush the learning pace. Instant funding. I don't like instant funding because of trailing drawdown. The problem with the trailing drawdown is, let's say I'm gonna discuss with you guys. So trailing drawdown, like let's say you have trailing drawdown of 3,000 US dollar, right? 3K. So this is the trailing drawdown. So you took a trade, you lose 500 US dollars. So this is gonna be 2,500 now, right? And then you take a one more trade, right? You took one more trade and then you won $1,000. So it will be 3,500 now, right? But if you guys took one more trade, this is your drawdown. This is gonna be the drawdown, 2,500. So it's basically trailing drawdown. The more you lose, let's say this one is your uh, starting balance of drawdown, right? If you lose 1,500, there is gonna be 1,500 drawdown. Even you won $3,000, it's not gonna go back to 3,000 again. That's the problem with stop trailing drawdown. So if you lose 1,500 on the next trade, if you won 3,000, it's gonna be 4,500, right? But if you take one more trade, your trailing drawdown, your last maximum drawdown is gonna be 1,500, not 4,500. So that's the problem with the instant funding. That's why I don't like that. It's obviously a gambling for me. It's really hard, but you need to wait for if you want, let's say 3,000. So this is gonna be a top 4,500 now, right? So now you need to wait for 24 hours to retest to reset again the drawdown to reset again the 3,000 maximum drawdown. You need to wait for 24 hours. So either you won now 4,500, stop trading, and then you wait for 24 hours to retest to reset again the drawdown. That's gonna be it. But yeah, I only focus more on yeah, it looks draining. Yes, true that. So focus on two-step challenge. That there's no max drawdown. If you lose, let's say in 100K account, your max daily drawdown is 5,000, right? You lose, let's say $1,000, right? You lose negative. You're 4,000 now down. You have 4,000, but if you won, let's say 2,000, so it's gonna be 6,000. This is your daily drawdown now. So this is your daily drawdown now. It adding on the drawdown daily. It's not a trailing drawdown. right? It's a normal, it's static drawdown called static. That's why I like the two step. Though it's quite, it's quite draining too because you need to pass it. You need to reach 10K. You need to reach 5K on the pace two. Pace one is 10K, right? It's okay. That's part of the journey. You need to pass that, enable for you to become funded trader, right? Those people that the taking instant funded account is they're just want to make money. They're just gambling their money. They're just gambling their money buying instant funded account. I guess in FTMO now they have a one step challenge. Let's see. I guess it's yeah, one step challenge right now. Let's see. Yeah. See this one. They have now one step challenge. Where's that? The rules. They have rules here. Do you have the challenge? I guess they have rules here, no? I don't know, bro. Where's the rules, man? So this is the what they call this phase two. It's phase two. Yeah. Two pace challenge. It's two pace. So this is the two pace challenge. Look at this. Yeah, 100K is 5K. Maximum drawdown is just 10K. It's unlimited. Refund is 100%. Trading periods unlimited. Up to 90% reward. Yeah. So yeah, this one is the pace one. So max daily loss is 3,000. Best day rule. See, they have best day rule. They have a 50% best day rule. Rewards 90. Yeah, pace one. So the pace one daily drawdown is this 3,000. 3,000 daily drawdown. Maximum loss 10K. Yeah, I mean, still good. Have to pay on that. You can pay by bank account too. Or if you have a crypto, yeah, you can buy. But for me, I'm paying for my bank. Paying based on bank account. So they have a multiple challenge account here. You have 10K. 10K, yeah, 89. How much is that? Oh, there's no refund on the base one. And they have free trial too. If you guys wanna do the free trial, it's a demo account, free trial. Yeah, you can check it out. They don't have refund on the Unstep account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Shout out to 20 viewers. How you guys doing? How you doing? Make sure drop a like, subs to the channel, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Give me a second.
With telehealth service courtesy of Sukoon's health plans, instantly connect with a doctor via call or video, anytime, anywhere. Sukoon.com, 50 years of convenience for your peace of mind.
Hey, chat. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 minutes. Some early consolidations here now. Oh, good. Would you look at that, man? Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? 4 hours about to close. So technically it's gonna be a fake out 4 hour here, right? So we close above the range. So and then you rebroke the high too, right? And now you go back in the range. So this 4 hour closure is gonna be a fake out. So we might see like this retest again here. And then the next 4 hour probably can move down pretty heavy later tonight. Let's see. Nothing here. Look at the 15. Nothing. They hold the price. Holy. In this kind of market conditions, you guys need to be more, patience. More patience here. More patience need. It's required. Otherwise, you're going to lose. No directions. Mm. 'Any questions, chat? Shout out to 19 viewers right now. Do you have any questions? Any questions in your mind right now? What's your plan today, gang? What's the plan today? Three minutes for the candle to close. Oh, we rebroke the lows. Oh yeah, we rebroke the lows. Didn't push through. Yes, didn't push through. Rebroke the lows. Didn't push. Very choppy. 2 minutes for the candle to close. Nothing. No Buenos, yeah. Too many weeks, yeah. Now we're going to wait for candle to close. Nothing here, nothing. Pretty exciting. London Open again. Yeah. How you doing, Alex K? How you doing? London is nothing here. Nothing. Pre-London, yeah. We got move on pre-London. This I'd say this is gonna be the move on pre-London. Yeah. So I guess how many pip? It's almost 400 pip move on the pre-London. I'm good, blessed, and highly favored, bro. Blessed and highly favored. All right, 15 is gonna close bullish. 30s looks interesting here. What do you guys think? Looks interesting, right? Hourly is gonna close. 4 hours gonna close. But the 4 hour is gonna be a fake out here. But we need to wait for the top wick, right? Enable for this candle to move down. A top wick, I guess. Yeah. And the 30 looks nice. Looks clean to move up, I guess. See, beautiful closure here on the 15 too. Beautiful closure. Hmm. That's gonna be the bottom wick. Boom, 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 boom. Right, look at that. Look at this 15. You have a range here. Right? You got a range. And closure, a nice, this is nice closure, by the way. On the 15 and 30, right? You have a new support form and the body of the candle quite nice. But why is not pushing up? And that's the real questions here. Why this candle is not pushing through? Right? There's something, I guess, there's something in this range. But I'm not I don't usually look on this kind of price action. We know that we have a previous support here. I always look on this kind of price action, the clean range, right? Now I always ask myself why the candle is not moving up even though we close bullish. Even though we close bullish and the 15 looks nice, 30 looks nice, hourly looks nice. The 4 hour, look at the 4 hour here. Right, we got support form. You have a resistance here. We got a breakout. So breakout give you a potential to move up, but didn't happen. You rebroke the highs too. Didn't push through. Look at this. Now it's gonna be a fake out on the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour is back in the range. So there is a high chance that we can grab the wick fill here. Right? That's a tricky question. We need to correlate this 4 hour to the lower time frame too. All right, let's see. I mean, I've loved to make a buys here too. Buy because we have a clean range. Now let's see if we can rebroke those highs once again here. And once we rebroke those highs, yeah, we can buy. We can take a buy here. Rebroke of the high. But right now, there's no buys for me. I don't want to take buys here on the support because this 4-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame can move, rip down heavy. All right. There's no clean directions yet. We're just building up directions. We're just building up the directions, printing side by side. I would like to see it wick down and grab orders below this small range to then. Yeah, me too. I've loved to see that. If this candle flip now bullish, yeah, we can have a buy stop here on the rebroke of the current candle high and then move up probably, right, like this. That's pretty nice bottom wick on the hourly time frame too. Hourly and 30 minutes time frame, but I obviously might be didn't happen. It will not happen. Right, 15. Rebroke this low, always invalid. 30 minutes hourly low, 15 minutes low, it's invalid to make a buy. So yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. No Benowski. No directions. Because if we got the directions, this is a breakout. Directions will always follow here. Always push. But right now, there's no directions. Alright, rebroke the lows. Damn. Would you look at that? Damn, price action is kind of tough. So now you see that fake out again, right? We avoid fake out today, gang. That's really really nice. We need to avoid this support form. Look at this closure. Look at the 30 minutes time frame closure. Right? It rebroke the high. So buyers is activated right now, chat. Right? Buyers is on the buy now. Then stop hit. Their stop loss is kind of here on the rebroke of the low. From here, they're putting their stops. So buyers is activated. Stop hit. Right? Because we need to understand 4-hour too. Hourly is clean to move up. Right? We know that we have a wick. That we can grab a wick fill and support right here. Clean range to move up. But the problem is the 4-hour time frame. If the 4-hour time frame close bullish, that's gonna be a good idea to take buy. Right? At least this 4-hour, let's say, close like this. Right? So you grab bottom wick and then buy stop on the rebroke of the high and then move up like this. Yeah. See, look at this 30. Pretty clean to move up, but didn't happen. Stops it. The candles are really printing here. 5 minutes. Look at the 5. Look at the 5, man. Push, push. Push, push. <clears throat> 4 minutes for the candle to close, man. Yeah, overextend candle now. Overextend. It's a double bottom. I don't know double bottom. I don't know that. I don't know that's double bottom, bro. Do, do. Do, 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 do. All right, gang. I might call it stream here, chat. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Peace and love. I'm out here. Peace.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. Anyone who's a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Why you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive.